Namaste. Today we will perform the determine the percentage purity of the copper sulfate. So you can see the reference book given here. The requirement is apparatus. We in the apparatus we require iodine flask, burette and conical flask. The reagent which we require are copper sulfate zero point 0.1 and sodium thiosulfate solution, starch solution and zero point 0.1 and potassium. So now let's see the principle. This is an iodometry type of titration. It depend upon the unstable of the cupric iodine which is formed in the reaction between copper sulfate and the potassium iodine with the liberation of free iodine. When copper sulfate was allowed to react with potassium iodine in the presence of acetic acid, cupric iodine is formed. So you can see this the reaction between copper sulfate and the potassium 4 2 copper sulfate ion and 4 potassium iodine which give to cupric iodine and acetic acid. Okay, this reaction happen in the presence of acetic acid, so the cupric iodine form in the above reaction is unstable, so it decompose to give the cuprous iodine with the liberation of free iodine. The liberated iodine is titrated with zero point 0.1 and sodium thiosulfate using the starch solution as indicator. So you can see here the reaction. Next is the procedure. Preparation of zero point 0.1 and sodium thiosulfate. Dissolve 24.8 gram of sodium thiosulfate pentyl hydrate in 800 ml of boiled and cold water and mix thoroughly by shaking for approximately 15 minutes. Make up the volume to 1000 ml. Standardization of zero point 0.1 and sodium thiosulfate. Take 100 ml of potassium iodate solution. Add 2 gram of potassium iodine and 5 ml of diluted H2SO4. Keep it in dark for 10 minutes. Add 2 to 3 drop of starch indicator and titrate with sodium thiosulfate using starch solution as indicator until the blue color is disappear. And we can calculate this by a formula which is N1V1 equal to N2V2, N2 equal to N1V1 upon V2. Assay of copper sulfate. Weight accurately about 1 gram and dissolved in 50 ml of water and add 3 gram of K potassium iodide, 5 ml of acetic acid and titrate the liberated iodine with zero point 0.1 and sodium thiosulfate using starch solution as indicator. Continue the titration until a faint blue color remains. Add 2 gram of potassium thiocyanide, stir well and continue the titrate until the blue color disappear. Each ml of zero point 0.1 and sodium thiosulfate is 0.02497 gram of copper sulfate. Percentage purity of the given copper sulfate you can check by the formula as V into E into AN into 100 upon W into Rn. So here V equal to volume of the sodium, then E is the equivalent weight of the weight factor and AN is the actual normality. So W is the weight of the sample and Rn is the normality. So you can check the percentage purity of the copper sulfate by using this formula. So hope you understand this experiment. For any query you can comment below. Thank you.